This is the power assisted steering cylinder or power assisted steering ram on a 65 to 70 Ford Mustang. Usually the cylinder rod there should be able to push and pull on that body bracket there, but something failed with that bushing and washer. So hopefully we're going to see the cause and the fix here. Okay, I removed the cotter pin, the castle nut, and that outside bushing and washer. And there it looks like the inner washer actually did push itself around the shoulder on the rod there, and luckily there's no damage to the shoulder on the rod. It looks like it just got pushed right through the washer there. And then I don't see any real damage to the shoulder, the rod shoulder there, or the hole in the bracket looks totally factory. So we should be able to replace this washer and maybe beef it up with another washer just in case. And I had this whole thing replaced quite a few years ago, but I did not install it myself. And they possibly maybe it didn't come with the correct bushings and washers. You can see the damage where it pushed through the bushing as well as the washer. But here's an actual kit for the 65 to 70 Mustang. And the washers look a little beefier, and I don't know if the bushings are beefier, there's a slightly different shape. And I've never had a protective boot on there, so I'm going to install that too while I'm at it. Okay, now we're there. We have our brand new washer, bushing, washer. And then you use, that rod will push and pull in and out by hand so you can get stuff in there and on there. And then you use the flat spots on the end of the rod to grab onto so you can tighten that nut down so the whole thing doesn't spin. And you can see we got our beautiful brand new squeaky boot on there for protection. And there we go. This was actually a pretty easy install. Then you just tighten the castle nut down until you can see the hole through the rod, so you can put your cotter pin in there and hold it in for safety and give it a little bendy. And hopefully it can take all the torquage and not strip out another washer. We'll see what happens.